University flags.
I request all the contingent participants to turn your left. Salute. So I thank our beloved Dean of Student Affairs, Dr. M. Martin Luther sir, for unfurling the national flag. Now I request Dr. A. V. Ramana sir to unfurl the university flag. Our prestigious agricultural university in the country, Acharya Enjidanga Agricultural University. So I thank Dr. A. V. Ramana garu for unfurling. I request Dr. G. Raibabu garu to unfurl the college flag, Agricultural Polytechnic Madakasira. Please sir, please unfurl the college flag. Thank you sir, thank you for unfurling the College of Polytechnic of Agricultural Madakasira flag. Now I request all the guests to please stand on the So total 20 teams are representing for this intercollegiate, interpolytechnic sports, games, cultural and literary meet 2020. So I request all the team managers and the physical directors of concerned polytechnics to please accompany your team while taking march past, and please ensure that there should be 5 feet distance from each team. So it is the guard of honor to the sportsman spirit, and taking march past is the guard of honor for sportsman spirit. And all the participants are about 16 years, 17 years and 18 years old. Since they are representing for the first time, and I request all the contingent participants to salute the guests and flags. When you enter the starting ground, the first team, Agricultural Polytechnic Anakapalli, the total contingents are 20. Out of that, 13 contingents are boys and 7 contingents are girls. The flag bearer is S. Shekhar Babu and placard holder is J. Kiran. The second team, Polytechnic of Agricultural Engineering Anakapalli, total contingents 20. The flag bearer is A. Maruti and placard holder is J. Swati. Third team, Agricultural Polytechnic Chintapalli, total contingents are 15. The flag bearer is R. Bharat and placard holder is Y. Shyam. The fourth team is Agricultural Polytechnic Darsi, total contingents are 20. Flag bearer is A. Jatin and placard holder is Gayatri. Fifth team, Agricultural Polytechnic Ghantasala, total contingents are 20. Flag bearer A. Ephraim and placard holder Jansi. Sixth team, Agricultural Polytechnic Garikapadu, the total contingents are 20. Flag bearer is S. Raviteja, placard holder is R. Dhanalakshmi. Seventh team, Agricultural Polytechnic Jangamaheswarapuram, the total contingents are 20. Flag bearer is P. Dinakaran, placard holder is P. Hemalata. Eighth team, Agricultural Polytechnic Kalikiri, the total contingents are 20. Flag bearer is Sheikh Ruhan and placard holder is E. Exita. Ninth team, Polytechnic of Agricultural Engineering Kalikiri, the total contingents are 20. Flag bearer Manideep and placard holder Bhargavi. 10th team, Agricultural Polytechnic Maruteru, the total contingents are 20. Flag bearer S. Suresh and placard holder K1C. Now 11th team, Agricultural Polytechnic Nandyal. The total contingents are 20. Flag bearer P. Charan and placard holder Krishna Kumar. 12th team Agricultural Polytechnic Padalakuru. The total contingents are 20. All 20 contingents are girls. The flag bearer is A. Radha and placard holder is B. Amaravati. 13th team Agricultural Polytechnic Punganuru. Total contingents are 20. All 20 contingents are boys. The flag bearer is M. Sai Sandeep. Placard holder is Shivaram Krishna. 14th team Agricultural Polytechnic Ramagiri. Total contingents are 19. Flag bearer is P. Nansekar and placard holder is Vijayasri. Now 15th team Agricultural Polytechnic Rampachodavaram. Total contingents are 20. Flag bearer is Sai Durga Prasad. Placard holder is Rohit. Now 16th team Agricultural Polytechnic Reddipalli. Total contingents are 20. Flag bearer is G. Ranga and placard holder is Gopi Chand. 18th team Agricultural Polytechnic Tirupati. 17th team Agricultural Polytechnic Somasila. Total contingents are 20. Flag bearer Ranga, placard holder Gopi Chand. 18th team Agricultural Polytechnic Tirupati. Total contingents are 20. Flag bearer is R. Sujita and placard holder Rajesh. 19th team Agricultural Polytechnic Uttukuru. Total contingents are 20. Flag bearer is C.H. Pradeep and placard holder is T. Hema. Not last but not least, the host team Agricultural Polytechnic Madagasira. The total contingents are 20. 13 boys and 7 girls. The flag bearer is Sai Kumar and placard holder is Sirisha. So I request all the team contingent participants to please stand on your line. So please stand on your box. Next, torch. Rajesh garu torch. So I request our Jyoti Veliginchi in Polytechnic meeting start చేయవలసిందిగా టెక్నికల్ డైరెక్టర్ సార్ ఏవైతే ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ ఇస్తారో ఆ ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ ఫాలో అవ్వండి. It's many things in the spirit of the games. The flame symbolizes the light of spirit, knowledge and life, and signifies the passing of the sports and games traditions from one generation to the next generation. If there is a light in the soul, there will be beauty in the person. If there is a beauty in the person, there will be harmony in the house. If there is harmony in the house, there will be order in the nation, so that there will be peace in the world. So, a torch lightning ceremony is the instrumental part before going to start and before going to declare the inter-polytechnic sports, games, cultural and literary meet 2021 and 22, which is conducted at the College of Agricultural Engineering, Madagascar Sports Arena in association with Agricultural Polytechnic, Madagascar. So all the guests are so enthusiastic and all the contingent participants are so enthusiastic to see the lightning ceremony of the traditional sports meet. So it is the formal traditional part of the opening ceremony of the Inter-Polytechnic Sports, Games, Cultural and Literary Meet 2021-22 of the Constituent Polytechnics of Acharya N.G. Ranga Agricultural University. Now we can witness the lightning of the the lightning of the torch by our beloved Dean of Student Affairs, Dr. M. Martin Luther sir, and our beloved Director of Polytechnics, Dr. A.V. Ramana sir. Now it is the introduction part, so I request all the team managers and physical directors of concerned polytechnics to please come forward and introduce your contingent participants. To the guest, our beloved Dean of Student Affairs, Dr. M. Martin Luther sir, and our one of the guest of honor, Dr. A.V. Ramana sir, Director of Polytechnics, and our host team, our host college principal, Dr. G. Raibab Garu, and Associate Director of Research, Dr. N.C. Venkateswarlu sir, at Scarce Rainfall Zone. So it is the introduction part. So all the contingent leaders and physical directors, you should come forward and introduce your concerned team. Total 20 polytechnics are participating in this prestigious Inter-Polytechnic Sports, Games, Cultural and Literary Meet 2021-22.
అందరూ కంటింజెంట్ పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ అందరూ కూడా చేయి ముందుకు పెట్టినాము ఓటింగ్ చేసేటప్పుడు. పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ అందరూ కూడా చేయి ముందుకు పెట్టాలి. హోస్ట్ టీమ్ కెప్టెన్ సాయి కుమార్ ఓటింగ్ చదువుతాడు. చదువుతున్నప్పుడు ఆల్ ఫ్లాగ్ బేరర్స్ కూడా మీరు కూడా చెప్పండి అమ్మా. అలాగే కంటింజెంట్ పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ మొత్తం కూడా ఫాలో అవ్వండి, చేయి ముందుకు పెట్టండి. బాగుందా పట్టుకో. ఆల్ కంటిన్యూన్స్ ప్లీజ్ చెయ్యి ముందుకు దాపండి అమ్మా, ఇట్లా దాపండి. We swear that we will take part in the Acharya NG Ranga Agriculture Inter-Polytechnic Sports Games Cultural Literacy Meet 2021-22 competitions, respecting the rules and regulations which govern them and the desire to participate in the true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of and for the glory of sport. Thank you.
I declare Acharya NG Ranga Agriculture University